Beer. All you need to know about beer in 10 minutes or less. Beer is one of the oldest and most consumed alcoholic beverages in the world, made by fermenting cereal grains. Characteristics: light and UV rays can cause a chemical reaction in beer. This is a phenomenon known as skunk beer. This can even happen in low levels of light. This is why many breweries use brown or green bottles and recommend to keep your beer on the refrigerator far from light. In the Czech Republic, beer is one of the most popular drinks. Every year, they drink about 188.5 liters of beer per capita. That's 5 to 6 beers a week. Beer is so popular there that people even bath in it. That's because it also has a beneficial effect on health and skin. Ingredients: barley is the most common grain used in beer production. The malting process involves soaking the barley in water to germinate and then drying it. These produce enzymes that convert starches into fermentable sugars. This is the ingredient that gives beer its characteristic taste. Hops come from the flower of the hop plants and have a special oil that adds this flavor. They are also used in medicine for anxiety and insomnia. This microorganism ferments the sugar in the malt, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide, which gives beer its alcoholic content and carbonation. Origins: beer is one of the oldest fermented beverages. Evidence of beer production comes from the Sumerians in Mesopotamia, and Egyptians also brewed beer from barley bread. They passed on their brewery techniques to the Greeks and Romans. However, in those places, wine was the primary drink, so beer was consumed by the rest. In the Middle Ages, beer was healthier than water. This was because water was often contaminated with a lot of health risks. Beer was relatively cheap, and the alcohol percentage was a bit lower back then. Varieties: including all major beer styles and sub-styles, it is believed there are over 100 different beer styles in the world. The main two beer types are ale and lager. Ales are a type of beer brewed using yeast that gather to the top of the fermentation tank during the brewing process. This is the main difference between ales and lagers. Some ales can be distinguished by their flavor, and they often have strong, fruity and spicy flavors. This type of beer use a different type of yeast that tend to go to the bottom of the fermentation tank, the opposite to ales. They have a cleaner taste and ferment at colder temperatures, usually around 7 to 12 degrees Celsius or 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The colder temperature slows down the fermentation process and produces less foaming. Production process: barley grains are soaked in water for several days, causing them to germinate. The grains sprout, activating enzymes that break down the starches into fermentable sugars. The grains are soaked in hot water for about an hour. Once finished, the result is a substance called wort, which is basically all the sugar and water that has been left over from the mashing. On this process, hops are added, giving beer its flavor. The liquid created from the mashing process gets boiled at a high temperature for a certain amount of time, depending on the beer style. Usually 60 to 90 minutes is the average duration of boiling. First fermentation. The cooled wort is transferred into a fermentation vessel. The brewer adds yeast, which starts the fermentation process. In the moment yeast is added, wort becomes beer. Second fermentation. After the first fermentation is complete, the fermented beer is transferred from the primary to a secondary fermentation vessel. This step allows the beer flavors and aromas to blend together. This second fermentation can last from a week to over 6 months, and it is almost always used for beers that need time to age before reaching their peak flavor and aroma. When fermentation has finished, the beer is cooled at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The beer is filtered to remove any impurity. From the filter, the beer goes into another tank, called a bright beer tank. Beer bottling is the final step in the beer production process. It starts with the cleaning and sanitizing of bottles. Later, bottles are filled with beer and then they are labeled and packed for distribution. Serving. Drinking beer cold is the right way to do it. However, if the beer is too cold, it changes the flavor and aroma of the beer. Probably you wouldn't even notice, but if it's just too cold, it can be tasteless. On the other hand, if the beer is too hot, it will increase oxidation, giving it a different taste that many don't like, and actually many do for some reason. Anyway, the right temperature in which all beers should be served is 3 to 12 degrees Celsius or 38 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Lagers are served colder than ales, and stronger beers are served warmer than weaker beers. Popular brands. Founded in 1864, it is Europe's largest multinational brewery. In 1933, Heineken was the first imported beer that arrived 3 days later after the end of the prohibition in the United States. In 1962, Heineken became the Heineken we know, replacing Pilsner as the main text on the logo. It had a lot of changes through its history, and thanks to its marketing, it is now one of the most popular beer brands in the world. It sponsors football matches, Formula 1 races, and even James Bond movies. Founded in 1925 by Cervecería Modelo in Mexico City, Mexico, it is the most popular Mexican beer worldwide, exported to more than 180 countries. One of the most iconic things about Corona is that it is usual to be served with a wedge of lime or lemon in the bottle for extra flavor. The crown logo and brand gets its name from the crown that decorates the Cathedral of Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe in Puerto Vallarta. The animals on the beer label are griffins, and they are there to help protect the beer. Founded in 1876 by a German immigrant who came to Missouri in 1857, it is the first beer brand established in the United States. Budweiser became one of the first American beers to be pasteurized, which allowed it to be shipped and transported through long distances. This helped it expand nationwide and eventually globally. From its ancient origins to its modern varieties, beer is part of human culture. With its characteristic flavor being drunk in social meetings, parties, and any other event, if you haven't tried it yet, you should do it and judge by yourself. And if you want to know more about a specific or your favorite liquor, leave a like and a comment below.